So as we all know, we have seen the covalent bond, types of covalent bond. Today we are going to learn about the carbon element. So like other element, carbon is also having one of the property that it can form the covalent bond with the different atoms that are present surrounding it. So let us look at the carbon. The atomic number of the carbon is 6. If we look at the electronic configuration of the carbon, so we can see this is the distribution of the electron. In the first shell we have 2 electrons and in the second shell we have 4 electrons. So if we talk about the valency, that is the number of the electron required to complete an octet, is the 4. That means the carbon requires 4 electrons to complete its octet. So what it will do, it can form the bond, it can form the bond by sharing of the electron with the other atoms. Okay. So here you can see the carbon can form the bond with the hydrogen atom. So this is what the capacity of the carbon atom to form the covalent bond. So one carbon atom can form the 4 covalent bonds. So here you can see the carbon has formed the covalent bond with the hydrogen by sharing of the electron from the hydrogen. Similarly, there is one electron that is being shared from this hydrogen atom and this is being formed. This covalent bond is formed over here. And now in this 4th covalent bond, there is sharing of the electron between this carbon and the electron of this carbon and atom, and this atom of hydrogen is sharing its electron and thereby forming this particular covalent bond. So this carbon is having all the 4 valency filled by the hydrogen atom. In the similar way, the carbon has the property to form the covalent bond. So covalent bond with the other carbon atom. So carbon atom can form the bond with the covalent bond with the other carbon atom. So this property is having one particular name. This is known as catenation, that we will see in detail in the next section. So this is catenation. Catenation matlab formation of covalent bond between carbon atoms. Okay. So you can see here carbon can form the bond with the other carbon atom. So the other valency of the carbon that can be filled with the hydrogen as well. अगर इसकी बात करें तो ये एक valency fill हो चुकी है. This is first, this is second, this is third and this is fourth. Similarly इस carbon के लिए ये 4 valency कौन सी होगी? This is first, this is second, this is third and this is fourth. तो अगर आप देख रहे होंगे, so here you can see this carbon is having all the valencies filled by the hydrogen only, but here in this case this carbon is having one of the valency filled by the carbon. But though also both the carbon is having all the other valency apart from the carbon valency, the other valencies is being filled by the hydrogen. So there is one term that comes into existence, that is hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon मतलब क्या? ये phenomenon के वजह से there is one term that comes into existence in the science, that is known as hydrocarbon. These are the compounds which are formed by sharing of electron between carbon and hydrogen, are known as hydrocarbons. So hydrocarbons are what? These are the compounds which are formed by the sharing of electrons between the carbon and the hydrogen. And there are n number of the compounds that exist. There are ample of compounds that are exist, and therefore the name of the chemistry, there is one chemistry which deals with this, is nothing but the organic chemistry. उसको बोला जाता है organic chemistry. So this is all for this. You need to know what is hydrocarbon. The compounds which are formed by sharing of electron between carbon and hydrogen is known as hydrocarbon. So there is methane by 1 carbon and hydrogen, 4 hydrogen, and there is ethane. Likewise, there can be number of carbon and number of hydrogen that would be formed. So here 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen. So that's all for this. We will see the relative hydrocarbons in the next video.